Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to modify your lips on a selfie on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below and tap on the photo editor feature on the left side. Click on the picture that you want to edit, and then you should slide to the right side at the bottom of the page until you find the face feature. Tap on it. Click on the lips option below the slider in the middle of the screen. That's the second section. Here you can edit or modify your smile by the help of this slide. Here you can see you can also lower your lip. You can lower or make your upper lip smaller or bigger by the help of this slide. The same for the lower lip. You can also set the width of your lips and the height as well. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.